Sunday, guys. So we're on our way to the market. Mao niya mo usually ginubuhat every Sunday.
Huh? Every Sunday?
Yeah. Where are we going now?
Right now we're going shopping.
Not shopping, we're just going to market. Buy some food. That's it.
Okay. We're going to buy food.
Yeah, to buy food.
Food is not shopping, right? So, okay. We're just going to buy food, guys. Today we buy fish. We're gonna be. She cooked the fish very good. The fish is she wanna make that like Filipino style, like from Cebu. This is taste is very good. I like that one how she cook. So that's it.
What else you gonna buy there?
Oh, okay. Okay, so we wanna buy there. We're gonna buy there
The vegetables for work.
Vegetable for work and the fruits, and we're gonna buy there is nothing. That's it.
Nothing.
Nothing.
So boring. See, guys, it's raining outside. Raining ever since morning.
So now, because of Montreal,
Yeah.
now is I think is the summer is we gonna getting down, so hot is down.
It's still summer because it's still
Yeah,
August, but
I know
the problem is always raining.
but this is the problem. I told you there is only summer is like couple months, like 2 months. So here Montreal is like summer is
Yeah.
just like few months, 1 or 2 months. That's it. It's cold. We stay. We are need to winter.
I don't. You love winter?
Of course, winter. I love winter.
Why you love winter? Because I know why.
Why?
Because you said if it's winter, you look.
I'm look white.
But now,
Yeah, summertime I look black. Look my guy. Look my hand. This is black now.
then
Because problem is summertime. So
you're exposed to the sun.
Yeah,
No, babe, it's not like that. It's your color. It's your real color.
it's not my real color. My real color is before is a little bit white, not really dark like now.
No, it's natural. You don't have to say that every season your color change. Really?
Okay. I don't know that. Thank you. Okay, so please, we are arrived already in the.
Yeah, we're here already in Cotenage.
Cotenage is,
We go to Marché Futay.
This is from Montreal people living around here. This is a favorite plaza, not in the store. This
Market.
is favorite plaza.
Market.
This is a plaza, not market. Market is one place. So this is plaza, guys. So we need looking for parking. If I think today is very busy in the plaza, we don't have no parking. Well, we get one parking, guys. We have lucky time. We get one parking, but this problem.
Be careful. There's a. Just let them cross.
I know. I don't go back. I'm gonna be here. Just park. That's it. We're gonna give me hard time for you. Okay, guys. We have parking. Thank you so much. I'm gonna see you soon.
Correct. B, we're gonna buy fish. We make an aquarium like this. Look. That fish.
Oh, nice. We're gonna buy that big one.
Huh? Big one?
Yeah.
No, you let the fish die.
No.
Look,
no.
there's a turtle. It's real?
It's real. Yeah. It's beautiful. But
No, it's not real. It's just a toy. It's a toy, babe.
It's real.
The turtle.
Okay. Because you wanna eat fish.
What's that?
Nice. Look. Let's go in here. Here.
She's gonna follow your finger.
Here. 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 Here.
How
It's
much
here.
is it? See, do not knock like.
So guys, nagluto na to sa atong pampano para panghapon. But, paborito sa Pakistan. Simple ra. Butangan na mo onion sa sud. Layon, asin, para timpla. Lemon, pepper. Nanginaw na ko sa akong kamot guys ha. Uy, nilugwa. Nilugwa siya guys. Ano naman na siya. Hindi siya ganahan sa onion. Dayon. Butang tuog. Oil. Kaya ito rin siya rin. Dayon. Wait sa guys. Butang ko spring onion. Ito sa ugasan guys ha. Ang tuog, spring onion. Ay magpabilin tagamay para sa sauce. Tangan sad na itong kasing gamay. Masud sila ni mo ang isda. Huwag sa sulod ko. So, after honey, so ako nang gi-on ang microwave. So, ako na siyang isulod. Dito kay gigutom ni. Tabunin na ito ang foil para dili siya mapait. Naman guys. Ay, kalimit ko. Tangan pala ito lemon. Wait sa kasi na ito ang apong hiwa. Tangan na ito og lemon para lami siya. Ayan, ito. Wow. Guys. Lipay ng Pakistan yung Sudan. Dahil ito siya. Ito ang lemon.